Butch, are you stuck? Butch, what happened to you? This is how I found Butch underneath the stove. Butch, what happened? Are you okay? What are you gonna do? Are you stuck? Now what? Here, let me help you. Oh, you don't want out? Oh. Oh, dear. Now what are you gonna do? Do you want some help? Butch? Do you want some help? No, she wants the sock so bad she won't let me help her. That's hilarious. I can't help her. I can't touch the sock. It's hers. Well, then you're on your own. No, even just trying to step on it, she won't let me help. Now, you can get out of it. No, don't. I'm trying to help you. She wants nothing to do with my help. That's hilarious. If I try and help her, she's gonna bite me. There you go. She took my help that time and away she goes.